Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming access and gathering examples. This saves time later. Once you have admin or creator rights and 2FA, upload 5,200 labeled samples in CSV or JSON. Next, open AI Builder and choose the project type that matches your goal, classification, form processing, or prediction. Click Create to initialize the workspace and make sure to name the model clearly. This step starts the pipeline and ensures your training set and permissions are correct before you move into detailed configuration. Now you configure inputs and train. Map your dataset columns to model fields and validate types such as text, number, or date so the pipeline reads them correctly. Once fields are mapped, adjust hyperparameters, epochs, batch size, and learning rate, starting with sensible defaults to avoid overfitting. Start training and watch loss and validation accuracy. This tells you how learning progresses. If validation stalls, pause, tweak preprocessing or learning rate, and retrain. These middle steps shape model behavior and generalization. Finish by deploying the model to a test endpoint and enabling logging and version control so you can trace changes. Run 2050 real-world tests, compare predictions to expected outputs, and log discrepancies to prioritize fixes. If performance meets targets, promote to production. If not, decide to retrain with more data or adjust features. Make sure to monitor throughput and latency after deployment. Troubleshooting. If results are inconsistent, clear cache, redeploy the same version, and rerun tests to confirm whether.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.